day, Mom and Sir. I am Jubilisa Gonzaga Tidon, 33 years old. I'm single mother of two kids, 10 years old and 7 years old. I live in Masbate, Philippines. I have five sisters and three brothers. I am the eldest of the family. I am a high school graduate mom. I have work experience in the Philippines as a domestic helper for 4 years to a couple with two kids, 4 years old and 2 years old. My responsibility are like cooking, doing all housework, do a laundry, ironing clothes, marketing, car washing, and my main duties is to taking care of the kids. Mom, please give me a chance as your helper because I'm a hardworking, trustworthy, loyal, patient, responsible, loving, and caring. Mom, I promise to finish my contract and I'm willing to extend my contract as long as you need, Mom. Thank you and God bless.